Hello, tonight I'm going to show you how to make a voice recording sound like a phone call. Now I'm basing this off the real life algorithm they use. I don't know all the parameters for everything, so for some of the things I'm just going to guess, but for some of them I do know. And you're going to need 4 different plugins. You're going to need a gate, a bit crusher and bit reducer, a Gaussian noise generator, and a pair of filters. Mr. Watson, come here. I want to see you. If you know, you know. And the next step is we want to make sure that we've got the right level. So I recorded this one on my phone, just, putting it up to my ear, voice recording it. So this is the approximate level we're looking for. And I'm just going to eyeball it. So in this case, about 8 decibels. And then just get rid of that. Yeehaw. Okay, next step. Okay, now we're going to go for the bit crusher. Here we go. You want it at 8 kilohertz. And you want it at 8 bits. This is Kilohertz Bit Crush. It's part of their free Essentials pack. So just go out and get it if you don't have another one.
Mr. Watson, come here. I want to see you.
Sounds good to me. Next we want a gate, and this is one of the ones that I'm not sure of the parameters for, so I've just worked out a good guess about -16 and then release about 300 milliseconds.
Mr. Watson, come here. I want to see you.
Sounds good to me. Now we want the noise generator. And if yours is like mine, you're going to want to mute the track. Keep the dry, obviously, at 0, and the noise somewhere between -30 and -25. This is a pink noise generator. I think it's probably better than a white noise generator, but I don't really know.
Mr. Watson, come here. I want to see you.
Again, sounds good to me. And the final step is a pair of filters. I'm using Reaper's Apple 12-pole filter. I don't think it really matters which one you use. And again, something I don't know, the slope, I'm using 24 decibels per octave, but it could be something different. But I do know the frequencies. You want high pass at 300 hertz, and you want your low pass at 3400 hertz. And you can hear that's also affected the sound of the noise, and I think it's a little too loud still, so I'm going to turn it down a bit more.
Mr. Watson, come here. I want to see you.
Sounds pretty good to me. But I do recommend, if you want to properly look into it, look up G.711 standard. Find it on Wikipedia, follow whatever links you feel like. You can maybe figure it out a bit more in depth than I have. But this is very much enough for a basic idea of the sound. See ya.